Good afternoon, everyone. Happy New Year to you. My name is Jeff Jones. I'm from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. I'll put a link in our description of our video, this video, and for our second website as well. In this video, we're going to take a look at two things. One, we're going to take a look at the wallpaper feature again, and take a look at something called the data sync that's on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. So let's get into it. Okie dokie, guys, we are back once again. My name is Jeff, and I'll be your spokesman, hopefully for just 8 to 10 minutes. I'm from theboxmen.com, and that website is www.theboxmen.com. Let's get right into this video. This is on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, and we're going to talk about the wallpaper feature once again and data sync. Now, you can put wallpapers on every single device, I believe, except the Formuler Z10 SE. That's a brand new SE. That's an upgrade from the Formuler Neo that they did before. Now, I love the way the personalization happens with the Formuler devices. As you can see right now, I do have a Christmas, like this is definitely stars everywhere on this theme. I changed it from the tiger, but I'm going to show you once again, all you really need to do is to get a thumb drive. You can download or get a image off the internet if you like, or if you have access to Shutterstock or whatnot. You can do that two ways. I put it on the thumb drive, and that way I always have it. I don't like putting anything on my internal storage. So as you see in the picture, if I have it, you'll see that device has a thumb drive in it, and we're going to access that right now. So let's take a look at the wallpaper feature. This is the home page. We're going to go right on down to the very back. Oh, I'm not connected to the internet. Hang on one second. Okay, it does say now that I'm connected. So let me go here and go to launcher settings. You want to press OK. Then what you can do is go to advanced, press OK. Select wallpaper. Now you can choose these are different. Default A. There's a default A that I changed to the name Gumby for apps. You have apps, default A, default B, and locker. So I put it first, I started with the apps. So you can have different pictures on all three of these, and as you go through your units, it will flip the picture. So I'm just going to keep it on apps to make it easy. Now you can use a URL if you know where the image URL is. You can use that. Local, I use local, so I'll go ahead, instead of using the internal storage, I'll use the media that I have here. And you can see here that I got orange flames right there, JPG. I got Riddler, Marvel, Shutterstock here, and Shutterstock here. So let's take a look at this one here. Let's say I selected that one. I push this back, press the back button again and again, and it changed it. So as you can see, I changed it to a fistful of dollars. So you can see that you can change whatever you like as long as you have it on the thumb drive. Now, I was wondering if you could put something on a carousel, like a slideshow. I'll test that out in another video, but I'll leave this one right here like this. Okay, so that is definitely how to do wallpaper. Now, Let's take a look at data sync. And data sync is something I found on the Formuler website where you can set up this unit to run a refresh of all the data on your device. So this device is definitely for internet streaming services, so it comes completely empty. I'm going to go right into this right now, and I'm going to press the menu button once it opens up here. I'm going to press the menu button, and we're going to go straight into data sync really quick. So I'm going to press the menu button. I'm going to go to Content Manager, and then I'm going to go to not content sources. I'm going to go right down to data sync. It says manage options for refreshing content lists and EPG data or data. So you click on data sync, you got EPG, you can update your EPG, which if you do that, all the things that you set in the EPG will change. So if you had to offset it so it matches. You also have clear EPG, clear and update EPG, all right? Now, this is where you have contents. You can refresh all the contents on your data on your device now, which is good. Or secondly, this is where it gets good. You can set up auto update settings. So you can see mine has a scheduled refresh at 5 a.m. every single day. All right. That happens every single time at 5 a.m. All right. Another thing you'll see that I have an automatic update as an interval. Every 3 hours, I have it set where you can do it every 24 hours. I left it for every 3. It will automatically set an interval to refresh the EPG. So that way, if there's any new content or anything like that, you can do that. And then you have your EP data storage, which you can clear over a period of time. But this is something that you could do. You don't have to have it refreshed. I have mine refreshed. I like having it refreshed on a consistent basis. That way it seems like to get the bugs out. I think this is a really, really powerful feature that's not on My TV Online 2 or even My TV Online 1, which is really on the DreamLink units that Formuler has made. I really like the data sync. You don't have to do it, but I think it's something that if you have this device, go ahead and check that out. Set it up how you like. You can't break the device, but you can learn it so you can be a better streamer. You can understand what you've purchased and get the most out of it. Now, I hope this video was really helpful. It really blessed me to be able to bring this to you. Since it is a new year, I am simplifying a lot of different things when it comes to the services that we provide. If you're interested in one of these devices or other devices that we have, go ahead. There'll be a toll-free number in the description of the video. We work Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We do have extensions which will walk you through the call tree that if you're a current customer, you can leave a message and we'll start to get back to you for tech support. But I'll explain some of the changes in the next video. But more importantly, let's get you a box. Let's tag a family member. If you know someone that needs a really great box at a really good price, we'd be happy to work with them and continue to work with them because we are theboxman.com. We have changed the way that you should watch TV. Go ahead and give us a call or even text that number. We prefer a call. If we're not available, just leave a message and we'll get back to you. We'll see you in the next